Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to build this 4-layered cross in a larger scale. I make these on a smaller scale, about 20 inches. A customer contacted me, wanted me to build one to go out in the yard. So here it is. We're going to show you how we did it. Thanks for watching the channel. First we cut a 4x4 at 70 inches long and 24 inches of it will go in the ground. Next we cut a 4x4 piece at 28 inches long and mark the center. Now we cut a notch out in both pieces using the chop saw, and the width is the thickness of each 4x4. This makes sure that both pieces overlap into each other. And since the chop saw is a round blade, you have to use your jigsaw to cut out and make it square. And then I just chisel it to make it smooth. And this way both pieces will fit nicely into each other. And now we put a little glue in, put them together, and screw the back. Then I do a little sanding with 100 grit sandpaper to get it smooth and get it even. And then we cut a 2x4 on the chop saw to start making the second layer. Now I'm cutting a couple 45-degree angles in 6 different pieces, and you'll see how these go together in just a second. And I'm going to take them over to my Craig jig and drill a couple holes so that I can drill in the side of the 4x4, and this will hold the pieces together. Now you start to see how they go together and screw into the side of the 4x4, and I use a little glue on every piece. This helps hold it together. You want to use Titebond 3 because it's waterproof, and this is going to be going outside. On the third layer, I'm using cedar, and this is just to give it a little color variation. And I put 2 pieces of cedar together to make them thicker, and you'll see what I mean when you see it go together. Now after you have all the cedar pieces glued together, you just put them on and attach them with a brad nailer, as you see here. For the fourth and final layer, you do it just like the first layer. You cut the notch in the 2x4 like I'm doing here on both pieces, and then they fit into each other just like they did with the 4x4s. Now after the pieces are together, I take my palm router with a chamfer bit and go around it, and this gives it a little extra detail. It's best to get this 4th layer in place and get it where you want it before you put the 3rd layer on, because that way you can push the pieces up against it, and this gets everything straight and in line. And I'm using some more Titebond 3 to hold these pieces down, and a brad nailer, 18 gauge brad nailer. And here it is all finished. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thanks for watching the channel, and please consider subscribing and liking this video.